asked to show what my Garfield kitchen looks like. I've had quite a few messages between here and on TikTok, so I thought I'd show you guys what it's really like in here and all my collectibles. They're custom made off of Etsy. They're wood. My parents had them made for me, and they're really big. They're over 2 foot tall each. The puzzle my son and I did. That's an embroidery design that I did. Up at the top is a solar light. And then I have these framed prints up here and the thermometer all the way to the right. My youngest son is obsessed with Ghostbusters, so I had that drawing done. My sister made that for me. Well, I don't think she made it, but she had it made for me. My husband travels a lot for work, and someone listed this spice rack fully complete on Facebook Marketplace, and he got the whole thing for $75. Unbelievable. I got that clock brand new off eBay a long time ago. So my husband picked up this huge framed Garfield print for me in St. Louis when he was traveling for business, and he got it for $10. I don't think I showed the oven mitts. There's a table runner I made. So now I'll show you everything in my china cabinet. I use the aquarium as a picture frame. It's just a glare on there, it's not dirty. These are really tiny. I don't know, see how big they are compared to my finger. The bottle in the back is just decoupage that I did. Oh, the glare. I don't know how to show some of the stuff without a glare. More decoupage in the back. This is a phone. Well, you can see the reflection in the mirror. I have the cookie jar set. Sorry, it's so hard to see it. A lot of little stuff in the back. Halloween cookie jar. Yes, that's Jim's signature there, autograph. I think that's from a kid's meal, but I could be wrong. Then these were my grandmother's house cookie jars. They're all from Avon. My grandma used to sell Avon when she was alive. So I incorporated them in here. Then this is the cookie jar that started it all. I got this as a Christmas gift from my cousin. And the second thing that was the very first thing Garfield. And then obviously the dog is not Garfield, but he was the closest thing I could find to look like Odie. So I love it. That was the second thing I got, and then it just exploded from there. Lunch boxes. That's from Cinemark when the movie was released. On the right is the Harley Davidson Garfield cookie jar, and obviously on the left is 4-H. I personally did 10 years of horse and pony 4-H, so that one was kind of special. And I think I showed this, but that is a mirror up at the top. You can't tell it's a mirror, but it is. And that is my kitchen. One thing I would love to get is the 4-foot tall Garfield butler statue, but I cannot find it anywhere. But someday it will be mine.